Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we'll be learning about simple Discord.py commands. So this is my first video on Discord stuff. So the first thing we are going to do is we are gonna go to the Discord developer portal to make our application, our bot. So let's name this, for example, tutorial bot. And then I'm going to create application, and what you are gonna and then you can put something in here. It's optional, but you can put something in if you really want to. Anyway, this is an awesome bot. Joy. Also, you can put emojis in here, and you can even put Discord emojis and stuff. Then you have to go to bot and then add bot. And this is going to make a bot for you. So I'm gonna disable this because I do not want anyone to take my client ID and then invite this bot to their server. And then I'm gonna give this administrator. Okay, so then you have to copy token, and then you can actually, if you're on anything safe, on an application, you can just do this. But if you're on Replit like me, I'm going to show you a different way to do it. So let's go secrets, and then name this anything you want, bot token, and then that means you have to import OS. Import OS, as you can see here, and then you can just insert this and my secret. So I'm gonna regenerate my token right now. Okay, there we go. And now let's get to the main part. Import Discord. From discord.ext, import commands. So these are two important things so that you can actually use the bot. Anyways, client, you know what, you can actually you could do bot or client, or even something absolutely random. But then when you do that, you actually have to make it like this. You have to put bot here if you want to define it bot, but if you're defining it client, then you're gonna put client. So I'm gonna define it as if it's a client. Anyway, client equal commands dot bot, command prefix equal exclamation mark. So if you want a public bot, you are not going to do this command prefix. You're actually gonna use /commands. But anyways, so you need to do a special function that actually tells you when the bot is ready. So most functions when you're making commands are, oh, sorry about that, guys. But anyways, most commands in Discord.py have to be async def. But anyway, oh, and also, by the way, whatever means by this, that means you don't really have to type in, for example, test command. And in Discord.py you do not have to do that unless this does not begin with an async. But anyways, to make a client event, like know when it's ready, you have to do this. And then async def test. Actually, no, this is on message. An event, so we can't just put anything. So on ready, you don't have to put anything here, and then you can just print out we are online as. Then I'm gonna go here and put an F, and then I'm gonna put client. Actually, you know what? I can put this as well. And then make a simple command. Client.command. So it's not gonna be commands. It's just gonna be command. And then async def. And then you can name this basically anything you want to. For example, test. I'm gonna make a test command for you guys. And then when it's an event, but like an on message or anything, then you have to put message. But for commands you have to put ctx. You can put message. You can actually put message if you want to, but there's almost no use unless you're making an emojify command or something like that. But anyways, let's see. Oh wait. So this is another something else that you're gonna use mostly in Discord.py. Wait, ctx.send. You can either send or you can reply in normal, in basically private bots. Private bots are mostly gonna have a command prefix. But anyways, oh wait, ctx the reply testing. So now let's go back to developer portal and then go to OAuth2, and then we're gonna go to a URL generator. And then what is required is that you have to put bot for when you make an invite link, and then administrator. Then we're gonna copy this, and then I'm gonna go to Discord. I'm gonna make this full screen here. Actually, you know what one? Okay, so now we are gonna make a server and then invite the bot for me and my friends. Let me flow server, and then I'm just gonna, like, after I make this server, I'm gonna actually put the invite link so that I can actually invite it. So now I'm gonna invite my bot, tutorial bot. Flameus Flows server administrator. and then it should be invited now. I accidentally invited it to the wrong server, but now it's tutorial bot here. Now you can see that there's an emoji and everything, but it's just not online. And then you're gonna go here, and then you are gonna click run. Oh, this is so when you're importing stuff, that means you're just like downloading the package. Now I'm installing my package here. Let's wait a moment for it. So as you can see, I now actually did it, and now I'm gonna go to the Discord bot, and then as you can see, it is online now. So let's try that test command that we made, and as you can see, we made it reply to us. But what if I just wanted it to just send a normal message? Then we are gonna replace reply with send right here. We're online as whatever. Then I'm gonna run that again, and as you can see, it will only send a normal message now. So that is the basics of a discord.py event and command. So I will see you in the next video. Goodbye. Oh, and by the way, all the links will be in the description down below. See ya, guys.